As you can see, I got the Baja here, got my drone, got my bag full of camera gear. So what I was thinking today, I was gonna go for a drive about an hour's north up to a place called Point Cartwright. Looks like a good spot, nice lighthouse right on the point. Should be able to get some good footage, and I thought I'd bring the Baja because I really want to go for a ride. So this will be the first time I've ridden it since my little fall, so if I do, I'm going to be careful, I promise. But yeah, so let's go, let's see what we can get. Let's go. Whoa. Where is this guy even going? Like, did he just jump on a canoe one day and I'm just gonna row to that island over there? Or did like someone like hold a gun to his head and like, start rolling? He's like the Forrest Gump of the ocean. He was rowing. One day he's just gonna wake up and have like a beard down in the water. You'll probably see a boat go past and be like, what is that? It's got a motor. Like, that's a good idea. But seriously, where is he going? Anyway, so from here I drove about 25 minutes inland to a place called Madok Park Dam. Took the Baja out through some sick trails and stuff, so yeah, hope you enjoy it. That was a pretty steep hill. Maybe lost. What I'm trying to do is find a way to get close enough to this dam so I can get the drone out again. As you can see, it's like it's right there on the other side of those trees, but I want a better view. Let's try. So I've followed this track all the way along, and it seems to have come to pretty sketchy looking little track. I'm thinking that I probably shouldn't go through there on the Baja. Snakes and stuff like that, but I think I found this little clearing here that I could probably take the drone off. Probably take the drone off through that gap, and you can see the dam out there. Yeah, might take the drone out and see what we get.